Hi, I'm Groenhout, and today I want to demo the CAMO ClipDRIVE, the ultimate fastening tool for CAMO Universal Deck Clips. The ergonomic clip drive allows for comfortable fastening, while the weighted nose helps you easily target screw heads, so you can install groove decking up to 5 times faster. Let's get clip drive assembled. Take out the upper tool body, pull back the collar, insert the T15 driver bit, and release the collar, locking the bit in place. Now take the lower body and align the notches with the locking pins. Then push down while turning to lock it in place. Time to install the handle. Loosen the handle by turning it counterclockwise, then slide the clamp onto the tool and turn the handle clockwise to tighten it. You can adjust the handle height at any time to get the right fit. Finally, attach your drill by inserting the large collar of the drive shaft into the drill chuck. Clip drive will not accept impact drivers. Make sure your drill is set in the forward position, adjust it to clutch mode if it has one, and set it to 30% of maximum torque. Now we're good to go. I've got a field of groove deck board and the CAMO Universal Deck Clip laid out and locked in place with the CAMO lever. I'm ready to fasten. I'm going to start with the outermost board and place the clip drive nose over the exposed screw until it's flat on the board. The no-mar nose will prevent any scuffs or rings. With pressure on the handle, run the drill at full speed, pushing it down to engage the bit and screw. Keep applying steady pressure and drive until the drill clutch releases. After fastening, lift the clip drive up to return the drill to its starting position. Now I can go through the field and fasten the rest of the clips down. Simple as that. Clip drive is yet another tool from CAMO that will help you work smarter, faster, easier, and better. Add one to your crew to start experiencing the better way to build a deck.